Hello everyone and welcome to Big Deal Hair Extensions. If you are new here, welcome. I'm glad that you came. Here I will talk about business tips. I'll talk about my very own products. I'm the owner of Big Deal Hair Extensions. I sell raw hair textures, virgin hair textures, frontal units, bundles. I have a natural edge tamer that is alcohol free, so it is really good for your edges. It is enriched with natural oils, and I have my hair slicked up with it right here. I don't have a lot on because, again, I have a wrap, so there's no reason to like put any other things on it, but I did want to lay her up there. So welcome. I'm going to be talking about several things. First, I would like to start with a business tip of the week. So I have this thing that I like to do every week, and that is to share with you all a business tip or something that I've learned over the course of my own business journey. Okay, so I will put links to previous videos that are talking about business tips to help you be successful in your very own business. Today, I do want to say, in regards to a business tip, that video content when you're on social media marketing, that is going to be the best way to market. Posts are great, but video content, it doesn't compare to any other form of advertisement. People are just more receptive to videos. Think about what you gravitate to on social media. 9 times out of 10 it's a video, and then we have this whole TikTok wave, okay, which is, it seemed like at first it was geared more towards the kids, but as quarantine came into effect, more and more adults were gravitating towards TikTok. So if you can try to figure out how to work TikTok, I advise you, if you don't know how to, ask one of your kids. If you have kids in that age group between what I would say the ages of 8 and 15, somewhere around there, they know how to work TikTok. Trust and believe me. Little cousins, whatever. But TikTok is going to be a great tool to use. Also, video content on Facebook and Instagram, that's equally as great. So if you are somebody that is shy, camera shy, don't worry, there are ways around it. If you don't want to come on here and speak like this just yet, you can create videos where people won't even see your face. You can, for example, if you sell lip gloss, you can have a video with the voiceover showing yourself kind of creating your lip glosses and putting your lip gloss base into the tubes. Okay, so that's one. It's still video content, but you don't have to deal with the anxiety of, I guess, being on camera like this per se. So video content is going to be good for your business. So definitely think about ways in which, again, like if you're shy, there are ways around it to still be able to deliver video content without showing your beautiful face. So that is the business tip of the week, is creating that video content. Or if you just don't want to create video content yourself, you can pay somebody to do it for you. Okay, so we live in a world where if there's things we don't want to do, we pay people to do it. So that is also an option for you. Next, I want to talk about our edge tamer. So for a little while it was on back order. I do want to let you guys know that it is no longer on back order. You can go to the website and purchase it. It is available and fully in stock. So do not wait until the last minute to get your edge tamer, because as we all know, it goes super quick. And if you're new here, I'm going to tell you, it goes really fast. Okay, so make sure that if you need something to hold your edges down, because I know a lot of times us 4C girls have a hard time finding products that will really hold our edges down. And me, like most naturals, I'm very picky when it comes to what I put in my hair, okay? When it comes to ingredients. I'm not a stickler per se, but I want it to be healthy for my edges, okay? And this edge tamer, Big Deal Hair Extensions edge tamer, it's enriched with essential oils, and it does not have any alcohol in it. So I want to encourage you, if you are looking for a product that will hold down your edges, okay, from fine hair to thick, coarse hair, this is the edge tamer for you. It comes in 4 ounces, okay, and it is clear. It dries clear, okay. BigDealHairExtensions.com. I will put a link in the description section so that you'll have that. I'll also put a link in the description section for those other previous videos that I've made with business tips, okay? Because I want you guys to have all the tea when it comes to business. And speaking of tea, this is the third, I said two. Look, don't judge me, y'all. This is the third, okay, with 3 fingers, the third portion of this video is me actually trying a tea, if you will. So this, I've heard good things about this. I've never tried it. It's a fermented tea, and that was kind of scaring me. But I wanted to give you guys a reaction of the Synergy Raw Kombucha. It's supposed to be super healthy for you with probiotics. So I'm gonna try it right now. It's fermented, so I'm expecting it to be a little bit, ooh, Lord. I guess I can't shake it. I can't shake it. It started exploding like a pop. Okay, well, for future reference, I know I cannot shake it. Can I tap it? Like, I don't know, y'all. Oh. Y'all. Let me see. I don't want to make no mess. Okay. I think we're good now. See? This is live in action. You learn something new every time. All right. First reaction. Ooh. Little sour. It has a fizz of a pop. But it's not terrible. I can live through it. But that's all. Thank you guys for tuning in, and stay blessed.